Yo, what's up traders? Good morning. I hope you can hear me sound and clear. From my country, it's 7:21 a.m. So I want to quickly catch up some pips before the London section guys will resume the market. And you know what we do here in this market? We took some analysis from trading view and we take the real trade from MetaTrader. So as you can see here, so for the XNext you see here is the broker I used. I'll drop the link in the description so that you can sign up and you use the same broker with me. It's a sweet broker that accommodates all traders. Okay, so for now let's dive into the trading view to take our analysis sharp. So this is our trading view and the market is currently on 1 minute. So I'll step down to 4 hour, that's 4H, for you to know the proper view, see the proper view of this market. So let me turn the phone. Okay, yeah, so this is H4. I have analyzed the market. As you can see, the trend line is supported properly and I've set the points of rejection. I've marked out the point of rejection below here, which is the week below here, of which if I'm going to go for the trend, which is a bearish movement, I am going to trade down to this level where the black line is. Yeah, I'll trade to this level to take my TP, because the overall trend of this market is bearish. So it's bearish. The sellers have taken over, as you can see, or the second take profit will be below this second line. So here and here, that's my take profit. But for now I can't take the trade from here. I'll step down to a lower time frame. So let's go to 1 hour time frame, that's H1. So from the H1, you will look at this place. This is a trade I took yesterday and I actually lost in the trade. So I lost in that trade of yesterday. Now I analyzed that the market is going to sell down as at that time, but it did not actually sell, so it hit my Excel. So I didn't delete it, I always leave it. And that is how Forex is. In Forex, we take some losses and we make some profits. Each time you lose, look out for the reason why you lose in that market and learn from there so you can analyze. So don't always trade what you cannot forget about. It should be what you can afford, because you can analyze, the market can come against you and it can go in your favor. But our expectation and prayer is that whenever we analyze, it should always go the way we want it and hit our take profits, so we can all smile. You know what I mean? Yeah. So from this 1 hour, I'll quickly run down to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, so that I can catch some pips, because I'm a scalper. I scalp the market, so I dwell with the trade within minutes. So I'll come here and see. So from these 15 minutes, I see some possibilities that this market will push up to this level. Yeah, don't forget, the overall trend of this market is bearish, but because the London section have not resumed yet, the bearish movement have not started. So I want to catch some pips before I'll follow the overall trend of this market. So I'm going to take in a buy from this market. It's a short buy from this market and make some pips before we join the overall trend, which is a down movement. That will be during the London section. This is the early hour of 7, so the London section have not resumed yet. I hope you understand, guys. But it's not compulsory that you must take the trade before, or you must not compulsory that you must take the trade before the London section. It's always advised you follow the trend of the market. but now I just want to do, it's my personal decision, I just want to test this market, cash a little pips for breakfast. Cash a little pips for breakfast before I'll follow the overall trend. So I don't want to go far, just these levels that I mark out here. So the market push here and make some pips, even if it's just $1, I'm okay. Before I will follow the overall trend of the market, which is the bearish movement. This is 727, so it's not yet the London section. Yeah, so I'll go in for long in this trade. For the new people, long means buy. I'll go in for long. Long means buy. If you are shorting, it means sell. So long means buy. So I want to go in for long. So let me keep my position for the entry so that you can have a proper view of how I want this market to go. It's a bearish movement, so my stop loss is below here. This red part is the stop loss. Let me tighten it and make it short because I don't want to lose too much in this market, to catch a little pips before the London section time. So I'll go into my MetaTrader 5 to take this trade immediately, so catch some pips. This is my MT5. I've taken the trade already on a buy. Network was stopping, that's why it was hanging. It didn't show properly. I've taken the trade on a buy. So what I will do now, let me just turn the phone view to landscape so that you can see where I took the buy. Yeah, so I took the trade from here, this blue line. So the market has pushed away from the entry line, and I am still expecting this market to push up the move, to push up to this level. Yeah, so that I can take my so that I can take my profits at that level. For now, let me tighten my stop loss. Let me modify it. Yeah, it's modified, so I'm not risking too much in this market. The stop loss is tightened. If it comes against me, I will lose a little, but if it doesn't come against me, I'll make a huge profit. So I want to show you on the trading view where I took the analysis. This is trading view. So the same place I'm targeting on the MetaTrader 5, this high here, these levels, is the same place I analyze the market to go. So at this level, once the market gets to this level, I will go out with profits. As simple as that. So if you see, even on the MetaTrader 5, the MetaTrader 5, which is the trading app, the trading platform, it's still on this same high that I show you on the trading view, this high here that I am targeting as well. So you can see the market is on point. What I analyze on trading view is the same thing I am taking on the MetaTrader 5 on Euro USD. So follow the step carefully, and you know what, I am going to show you the profit I am currently making now, because from my point of entry, the market has pushed up from the point of entry away from the point of entry, so thereby meaning I have made some profits. See, I made $12 already. I've made $12. It's still pushing up. I've made $12 already in this trade. It's still fluctuating, $12, $13, $14 in this trade, and I am still expecting more push to the upside. I'm still expecting more push to the upside. So I'm still waiting for this market to play out to that levels that I mark out my take TP, so that I can close. But even if it doesn't work out that way, I will still go out with good profit. So now I want to adjust my Excel, my stop loss, to the point of entry. That's what I just did here, so that if the market comes against me, I will never close up with loss. It to be a zero free trade, no loss. So I have adjusted from, you can see this level, that's where the current market is. So this trade, there is no loss again. I've taken the stop loss to the point of entry, so there's no loss, it's a free trade. What I did here is just called break even. Break even. Let me show you on MetaTrader 5. On MetaTrader 5 as well, the market is currently here. I entered from here and the market is currently here. So what I want to do here is to adjust my SL to my point of entry. That's the same thing I show you on the trading view. I'll adjust it to the point of entry, or I'll take it above my entry. Now if I take it above my entry, if the market comes against me, I will close out with profits of, let's say, $6, $7 or $8. Why? Because it is beyond my point of entry. But if I keep it below my entry, it still come and hit it and give me a loss. So whenever you have a good opportunity like this to make profit in the market, it is advised to set a BE, break even. BE, break even in Forex. It means you lifting your stop loss above your entry, so that if the market comes against you and hits that stop loss, you close out with some profits. So now I want to set my own as $8. So if the market comes against me, I will make $8 in this market. Very simple. I hope you've learned something today. So I'm going to modify this so that it will be effective, because this is a live trade. So I'm trying to modify it to set the SL to where I want it to be. So I'll modify it here. Done. As simple as that. So if it comes against me, I'm closing out with profits. So before you know, the XL was below here, but I've taken it to this high, this level. So that means I have set BE in this trade. That's break even. So if the market comes against me and hits that place, I'll close out with profit of $8. That's how it is. Very simple, guys. More Forex is sweet. That is if you know how to analyze the market and it goes in your favor. So let's go and check the profits. See, you can see before your eyes, $14 already made in this trade. But I don't want to close this trade because I'm still expecting more push to the upside. So I'm still expecting more put, but that will be for a short period of time before the London section will resume fully by 8:30. You get. So now I'm going to pause this video and come back in 17 minutes time. 17 minutes time, I'll come back to this chart and show you what the profit is currently running at. So because I don't want it to be too long. Sharp. So it's 17 minutes later. Let's go and check our trade on MetaTrader 5 ASAP. So on this trade, you can see the buy position is no more here. It means the market has come against me and hit my SL, that break even that I set, and I close out with profit of $8.20. Very simple, sharp. That's how the market is. It can go against you and it can also go in your favor. But just know when to enter and when to execute as a trader, and that's why I'm always here to teach you. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Don't forget, you can also replicate this same trade, this same level, this same knowledge if you learn. So if you want to learn, you can DM me, chat me up on my WhatsApp number in the description below. Thank you.